Hello, my name is Clara Guadalupe Puerta Cruz. I talk about the Santa Ana municipality. The land where the town stands was occupied from the mid-17th century by John Munguia Villela, who came to the region with the conquistador Pedro de Perea in 1636. The May 30 and 1931, Santa Cruz reached the rank of municipality. The festivals are May 10, June 24, September 15, the Festival of San Miguel, and November 20. The tradition and custom are of the Cerro de la Cruz on May 3, Rebel Country Walk, November 2, Day of the Druid takes flowers to the cemetery. By visiting Santa Ana, you can enjoy food like menudo, chili with meat, cruising, flour tortillas, picarillo beans, and corn tamales. Also sweet like marshmallows, flour and brown sugar champurrado, cornbread, and donuts with brown sugar. And drinks are horchata and barley water.